3 teams in 1 year. That was Evan Ferry's 2024. Obviously, coming into the year, he was on the new factory squad from Triumph, and that lasted all of 1 corner. 1 race, 1 corner, however you wanna say it. Making his pro debut in Detroit. If you remember, he got crashed into, went into the side of the track, hit his head on the wall, and we never saw him again for supercross. And, well, that's where it ended with Triumph. Obviously, they split before motocross started, and for motocross, he was with Wildcat Racing. I believe it was a KTM. Correct me if I'm wrong, and I think I'm right about that. And well, he rode that for outdoors, and now he's on Phoenix Racing as of the newly announced press release. And he does have a quote saying, "Yeah, I think from a physical standpoint, I'm in a such better place than I was last year. Last year, I thought I felt good, and then I came in, and I'm like, man, I don't feel good. I did have a lot of time on the bike, but I had a long time where I actually didn't race, basically after 22 Ironman. I'm like, man, I forgot how to race." So there's towards the end of the outdoor season, I had a few flashy moments, nothing crazy. I mean, it was pretty quiet outdoor season for me. I got some points or whatever. I was pretty stoked with that. But yeah, just getting racing under my belt, I guess you could say being mid-pack every single race, like it definitely taught me to race again. Mentally too, I'm in a lot better spot. I'm super happy right now. Life is life is good right now for sure. Now, obviously, Phoenix Racing is a pretty established team, and the question is going to become, how does he fall into this? Is he going to be a mid-pack guy? Is he going to stay with the team for the whole year? Is he going to like the Honda? I mean, obviously, switching 3 bikes in a year is a lot, but I mean, Phoenix Races has always been good. They're a very consistent team, so I think it's going to be good for him. But that's where I leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Good move? Should he stay with Triumph? Should he stay with Wildcat? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.